Hello, first graders. How are you? Hope you're doing great. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson. Today we'll be talking about light and materials. But first of all, let's set off the objectives of this lesson. Firstly, we were gonna revise what we learned in the last class. Then we will define the meaning of the word material. The third objective is to be able to define types of materials. But the fourth objective is the ability to categorize any type of material you face in your real life. Let's start with revising the last lesson. We talked about light and how it's a type of energy. Without it, we cannot see anything, and it moves and travels from place to place. Sunlight illuminates the earth. Lamps illuminate the room. So we need light in our lives to see everything. Without light, we cannot see anything. Hope you enjoyed the experiment I told you about last class. Now we will start with materials. Materials are everything and anything used to build or make things. Like you can call the wood a material. Glass is a material. Metal is a material. So the material is anything you can touch with your hand and you can use to build or make different things. Now we will learn about three types of materials. The first type, when the light passes through the material, all the light passes through this material, it's called a transparent material. Like glass. The glass is a transparent material. The plastic wrap, the wrap you use to cover food, it's transparent. All the light will pass through it from one way to the other. The second type is called translucent materials. Repeat after me. Translucent. Translucent materials. The translucent materials are the materials that let some of the light pass through them. Like the lampshades. I bet you have lampshades at home. You can look at them. The white shade around the light is called a translucent material because it lets some of the light passes through it. The last type of materials is called opaque materials. It's like a block. You cannot see through it, and if you put the light in front of it, it will block all the light. No light will pass through it. So it's called opaque materials. You can take a look at the picture I added here. This is what I meant by opaque material. It blocks all of the light. You cannot see any light from the other side. It's blocked. Now, I want you, in order to get the idea of the three types of materials, to do this experiment at home. First, you have to bring a piece of foil paper, a piece of plastic wrap, and a piece of wax paper or white paper. And you will use a torch or the mobile flash. So, now I want you to take each type of the materials you have, first of all the foil, and put the light in front of it. We'll check if the light passes through it or doesn't. So if it doesn't pass through it, you have to write down your observation and categorize the foil as transparent, translucent, or opaque material. And do the same with the rest. Then you can come back and look at this video so you'll find out the answer. Hope you will enjoy this experiment. If you have any inquiries, you can ask me always about it. Enjoy! I miss you.